Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by tan x and tan y. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So I will focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of s squared dx. This one we change for u. Secant of s squared dx we change for du. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about tan x. So this one, that is about this one. This one similar. This is the end. Thank you for watching.